Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we got a very interesting recipe, which is chicken quesadilla. Firstly, we're going to start off by making our tortilla wrap, which is like our roti, but it's stiffer and thinner. The ingredients are, I have 1 cup cake flour. To the flour, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of oil. And here I have half a cup of warm water for making the dough. Firstly, I'll mix the oil, the salt and the flour together. And gradually I'm going to add in my water. This dough can make 3 tortillas, but if you like more, you can double up the ingredient. Now I'm going to knead my dough using my hands. This is my dough, of which I'm going to use my countertop. Sprinkle some flour. And I'm going to divide this into 3 portions. 3. In the meantime, I put my stove on for my tawa to get hot, and now I'm ready to roll out my wrap. I will put in these balls into my packet so it will stay moist. The flour wouldn't dry up. It's a similar way we do as we make our roti. This roti is much more thinner than our normal roti, and now I'm ready to seko on the tawa. You can see how thin it is. Oh, I can see Pranesh. Yeah, I'm ready to put my wrap upon my hot tawa, and most likely it will be slightly big, but I'll show you how I seko. We can usually make this wrap slightly bigger, so when we're fulling, we wrap it over in the fulling. Because it's so thin, it will cook very fast. We had to move it around so the overlapping also get cooked. I am quite used using my hand, but you don't try it. See, as it cooked, it caught the size of the tawa. Give it one more turn. And this is done. Now I'm ready to make my chicken filling for the quesadilla. I have here 500 grams of chicken that are cubed. I marinated with the chicken spice, salt and pepper, and some mixed herbs, and I also put a splash of lemon juice. I will be using a splash of oil for the braise. I have 1 small onion sliced, half red pepper sliced, and we have mushroom, which is 250 grams sliced. For the taste, we'll be using a grain of salt, a grain of pepper, a sprinkle of dry thyme, and towards the end, before we finish off, we'll use a tablespoon of mayonnaise and a tablespoon of hot peri sauce. Then for the garnish, we have some fresh dhania with some spring onions, and we have our white cheddar to grate over. Now I'm ready to get started. I've got my stove on with my non-stick frying pan. I'm just going to add in a splash of oil. Now I'm ready to put in my onions. We'll allow these onions to get a little soft. To my onions, I'm going to sprinkle in some dry thyme. I'm going to add in my chicken to it, and I forgot to make mention that I added a teaspoon of ginger garlic in the marinade. Give this a good mix and allow this another 3 minutes. My chicken has come to a fry, and I'm just going to add a sprinkle of paprika to give it the extra color to it. But it's optional, and I did not mention. But if you like a nice red color, then go ahead and use the paprika. To this, I'm going to add in my mushroom, and my chilies, my pepper. I'm also going to use a grain of black pepper to it. And a generous grain of salt. I'll give this a quick mix and give it another 3 minutes or so. For all my ingredients to be done, 10 minutes has passed. So this is completely done. I'm going to switch my stove off. And then I'm going to add in my sauces to it. And a generous tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mix this all together. Now we are ready to make our quesadilla. I've got my tawa on very low heat, and now we are ready to assemble our quesadilla. In this frying pan, I shredded my chicken a little bit. So I'm going to go halfway. So we're going to fold this wrap halfway and then we're going to fold it over. Firstly, I'm going to add in my cheese. And then I will garnish with my spring onions and dhania. To this I'll give it a fold. Here you go, your crispy quesadilla served with some lovely salsa on the side. You can also buy your ready-made wraps, but it was very simple to make. You can also use different filling. I will show you a vegetarian one very soon. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.